In the Stanford D School book, You Need a Manifesto, author Charlotte Burgess Auburn said, "My manifesto, like all the best kinds of navigational practices, doesn't tell me what's right or wrong in every instance. Rather, it makes clear to me what I believe, and I make the decisions." A couple of years ago, after installing plugin after plugin and just clicking away in Obsidian, not sure where things went, I decided I needed a little personal navigation guide. One of my favorite tools for personal decision making is a manifesto. So I created my first Obsidian manifesto. At the time, the only thing on it was Obsidian first, meaning that I would try to create something in Obsidian before any other tool. Now, my manifesto has 4 parts, which you can see on the screen. Obsidian first. Obsidian is still my go-to for creating text-based content before any other tool. Obsidian final. When I do need to use another tool to create something, Obsidian still has a reference to where that item is and how or why it was created. Core plugins are greater than community plugins. I want to keep my Obsidian system as fast and reliable as possible. So for that reason, I will maximize the use of core plugins before I look for a community plugin. And finally, reward value. Just because a software tool is free for me to use doesn't mean that the person or team that developed it shouldn't receive compensation. I regularly reward value to developers by subscribing to a license for Obsidian and paying plugin and content developers. Serious users of Obsidian can get benefit out of spending time thinking about their personal Obsidian operating guidelines. In this exercise, which is simple but definitely not easy, write your own Obsidian manifesto. I recommend creating a note in your vault and titling it Obsidian Manifesto. Spend some time writing and see what comes up for you. I hope that you'll share your manifesto, even if it's just a work in progress, in the comments or in the discussion board in the community, because quite honestly, a manifesto should always be a work in progress.